Hello friends. In this video, we'll be covering up the newest feature that we have launched on SpeedBot. Now, option traders would be able to perform algo trading on stock options and stock futures. So we received a lot of requests of how someone can do algo trading on stock options and futures. In this video, we'll be covering this up. In order to do that, let us first go to our SpeedBot account. So as you can see, I've logged in onto my SpeedBot account. Now I need to open up the OptionBot builder. So as you can see that initially we had the symbols for indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. But if now you click over here, then apart from the indices, you'll be able to see the stock options. So I believe this is a pretty extensive list that you can see. So all in all the active FNO symbols, you'll be able to find it over here. Let's say that if I would like to create a trading bot for Zomato stock option, I'll be able to do that. Let me just Zomato stock option bot. Name it as Zomato stock option bot. What it will do, I can either buy or sell the Zomato option. So for stock options, the option traders are pretty familiar that the expiry is on the last Thursday of the month. So instead of selecting current week, you can have the option for current month and next month. So people who are familiar with stock options, they do understand that there are monthly expiries for stock options. So I'll select current month. Let's say if I would like to trade in contracts for next month, then I'll be able to select the expiry type as next month. So let's keep it simple over here. So this is a set for Zomato stock option that I've selected on intraday basis. So what I'll be doing is I'll be shorting the ATM call option for Zomato symbol. So I could name it as Zomato set. Now let's say if I were to do some bullish trade for maybe some other stock option, let me see. Maybe delivery. So for delivery, I would like to buy the put option. Let's say if I'm bearish on this particular symbol, I'll just select it as current month. And now this is my delivery set ready. Zomato. Let me just keep the name simpler and save and continue. Mind you, if you are creating a bot for stock options or stock future segment, so no backtesting will be provided for this particular segment. I'm repeating this again. If you are creating a bot for stock options or stock futures, then you would not be able to perform the backtesting. Rather, you'd be able to perform forward testing and live execution for the selected symbols. So over here, instead of clicking on to the save and backtest button, I'll be able to click on the save button in order to save my parameters. As you can see that the parameters are updated. And now I'll be able to deploy this. If I go to the bots and over here, I'll be able to forward test it for how much duration I would like to have. And you'll be able to see it like this. And whenever my condition satisfies, I'll be able to perform the trades. So this was the stock option bot. Let's say if you are stock futures trader and you'd like to create an algo around that. So let me cover that as well. Let me just pull up the OptionBot builder over here. Stock futures bot like this. And let me just pull up another stock whose futures we would like to create the algo on. Maybe ICICI Bank. Yes. Let's say that if I would like to create an algo for ICICI Bank futures. In that case, instead of selecting the option leg, I would just go and select the future leg. What this will do, it will give me around 4 to 5 parameters. That is whether I would like to go long or short for the ICICI futures, how many lots would I like to trade, maybe 5 lots, and would I be selecting current month or the next month expiry. So this is pretty clear. Whether I would like to have the target or the stop loss. So I can just mention that. Let's say that I keep the target as 100 and the stop loss as 50, maybe 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And maybe deploy it later in the afternoon. Square it off at 315 like this. Just keeping things simpler, just for example purposes. And I'll just click on the save button. Now this particular stock futures bot is ready to be deployed. Stock futures bot, I'll just click on forward test for 1 week. Now it's up and running like this. So that's how you can create your stock option or stock futures bot with the symbols that are active in the FNO segment. So I hope you got a gist of how you can create an algo around stock options and futures in this video. So thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one.